दर्शकवृन्द, आजको हाम्रो अतिथि हुनुहुन्छ मिस वर्ल्ड नेपाल 2017 निकिता चाण्डक महेश्वरी। निकिताजीले हालसालै मिस वर्ल्ड 2017 मा नेपाललाई प्रतिनिधित्व गर्नुभएको थियो र 119 प्रतियोगी मध्ये उत्कृष्ट 40 मा पर्न सफल हुनुभएको थियो। आउनुहोस् आजको कार्यक्रममा उहाँलाई स्वागत गरौँ। निकिता, वेलकम टु द शो।
Thank you.
I'd like to start with one probably simple question. एउटा मसँग छ।
It seems like it's going to be tougher.
I don't think so. 3 शब्दमा तपाईले आफूलाई डिस्क्राइब गर्नु पर्यो भने
3 words. Sensitive, one. Second, I would say humble. Third is honest. Yeah. Honest, humble, sensitive.
तपाई नेपाल सुन्दरी भइसक्नु भएको छ।
हजुर।
यो ताज पहिरिनु भन्दा पहिले कहिले त्यो भन्दा अगाडि साच्चैको म सुन्दरी छु जस्तो लागेको थियो?
When I think अब जब beautiful को कुरा आउँछ हैन, when you look at yourself in the mirror, sometimes you feel, oh my god, okay, I am beautiful, and sometimes it's like, no, I lack something. I think there is with every single person. No one is perfect, Pansani. And before getting this, as I have always mentioned, मलाई एकदमै acting मा जान रहर थियो, and it feels like, you know, in acting you need something like एउटा standard हुन्छ beauty को, त्यस्तो लाग्छ पहिला. So that is where I used to judge myself, that am I beautiful enough or not to get into acting. So sometimes it used to be, yes, I am, and sometimes say यस्तो कि no, I think I missed this. Yeah.
तपाई सुरुदेखि नै मोडलिङमा आउन चाहनुहुन्थ्यो कि यो शिफ्ट पछि भयो?
होइन, मोडलिङ चाहिँ कहिले मेरो त्यो थिएन, दिमागमा थिएन. इट वाज अलवेज एक्टिङ. तर टु स्टार्ट विथ एक्चुअली मेरो ब्रेसेस थियो दाँतमा, एन्ड आई थट द्याट आई कुड नट स्टार्ट विथ एक्टिङ, सो आई ह्यापन टु स्टार्ट विथ मोडलिङ जस्ट बिकज आई ह्याड ब्रेसेस अन माई टिथ.
सो त्यो चाहिँ तपाईले स्कुल डेजबाटै सुरु गर्नुभयो के कसरी?
होइन, कलेज. स्कुलमा म आई वाज इन बोर्डिङ हस्टेलमा, सो आई कुड नट डु एनिथिङ देयर.
ए कलेजमा मोडलिङ सुरु गर्नुभयो, एन्ड देन नेपाल मिस नेपाललाई कन्टेस्टमा त्यहाँबाट यहाँ आउनुभयो.
यस.
ओके. सुन्दरताका अनेक आयामहरू भन्छन्, खास गरी ब्युटीको डिफ्रेन्ट एस्पेक्ट्सहरू हुन्छ, राइट? सो भनिन्छ जो रूपबाट सुन्दर हुन्छन् नि, उसलाई तिमी ब्युटिफुल छौ भनेर कम्प्लिमेन्ट गरिदिएको त्यति मन पर्दैन रे, हैन?
आई डोन्ट नो.
कस्तो किसिमको कम्प्लिमेन्टहरू तपाईलाई मन पर्छ?
मलाई usually people also ask, हैन, कि do you like being complimented as hot or as sexy? But I do not like that. For some reason I don't know, हैन. I always like this beautiful. I always like the word beautiful. When it's called you are beautiful, I like that word. So when you told me that, you know, when someone is called you are beautiful, they do not like that. I don't know why, but I really like when people call me beautiful. Yes. And also when they compliment me on what kind of person I am, ani mero kaam, the work I do. So for that also when they compliment, it means a lot to me. Yes.
सो तपाईको सामुन्ने एउटा उज्जवल भविष्य देखिन्छ. यहाँ आइपुग्नु भन्दा पहिला को लाइफ र अहिलेको लाइफमा भिन्नता छ?
अलिकति भन्दा हुन्छ, बिकज व्हाट आई फिल, मैले चाहिँ पहिलेदेखि आफूलाई यस्तो, यु नो, पपुलर आफूले जहिले इमेजिन गर्थेँ, म आफूले जहिले भिजुअलाइज गर्ने कि ओके आई एम देयर एन्ड पिपल लभ मी भनेर, त्यस्तो होइन, आई एम फेमस टाइपको. आई अलवेज भिजुअलाइज द्याट. सो फर मी इट वाज नट क्वाइट अ बिग चेन्ज, बट ह्याभिङ टु सी इट मटेरियलाइज एक्चुअली ह्यापन, त्यसले it is a happy feeling. But then when I say a difference, I think I've become more matured and more sensible towards different things, you know. Except for that, I think every time I have been a kind of person who is very much thoughtful about the career, about the future. And I'm still that I am still. It's not like I have just got a path opened for me. Testo bhako chaina. I'm still finding a way, finding a path. So that's where I do not really find a difference. But except for that, there have been beautiful differences, good differences.
So you still spend a lot of time to explore garna मेरो future चाहिँ के हुन्छ अथवा does that occupy your mind?
Yeah, it does. I'm an overthinker, हैन एकदम धेरै सोच्छु, टेन्सन धेरै लिन्छु. So मलाई थाहा छ it's not good. You should enjoy your present. You should live in the moment. But somehow I do that, but somehow I'm more into my future, like overthinking and stressful. So yeah, it keeps me occupied on what I want. The thing is, till now also I feel that I want acting to be my career. But only once म त्यहाँ पुगेपछि मात्र I'll really get to know if this is something I want or not. That's how I feel. I don't know.
So तपाईलाई यो प्यासन फलो गर्नलाई तपाईको पछिल्लो इन्टरभ्युजहरु पनि मैले हेरेको थिएँ तपाईले भन्नुभएको छ केले इग्नाइट गर्यो what really ignited you to follow the passion that you are following right now?
Actually when मैले आफ्नो ममलाई पनि सोधेको थिएँ हैन when I was in class 10th or 11th I guess I asked my mom that तपाई when you were pregnant with me so तपाईं मुभिजहरु कतिको हेर्नुहुन्थ्यो and she was like you know त्यो बेला यस्तो थियो before I never used to after also I did not really watch movies but at that period of time when I was pregnant with you म almost like 20 movies in a month जस्तो पनि हेर्थे so it was that kind of period and then भन्छ नि when there's a child in your womb and when you do something that reflects in your child when she's grown up. So why I asked this was class 9th ma I suddenly got an opportunity त्यहाँ out of nowhere I just got an opportunity in my school to do a dance drama and people really appreciated me and for me appreciation has been a very good feeling for me. I have always wanted appreciation. So when I say appreciation, and then I felt that no, I can do in this. I can do acting. And this pachi I felt like no, I think I really want to act. I really want to act this kya. So class 9th pachi चाहिँ अलिकति त्यो भयो that yes maybe this is what I want भनेर so that's how it's still there in me. Before also I've told in some interviews that I do not really have a backup plan. You know when you ask me that if not acting then what would your career be then I do not really know what I would say. I mean at this point also I cannot say what I want except for acting.
त्यता सोच्नु नै भएको छैन.
Yeah त्यो भन्दा actually सोच्दा पनि I do not get anything. I do not get any other word or any other career that I can be a part of जस्तो लाग्छ. I don't know.
तपाई मारवाडी समुदायबाट आउनु भएको छ अहिले डिफरेंट वे अफ लाइफमा हुनुहुन्छ यो ट्रान्जिसन म्यानेज गर्न के अप्ठ्यारो भएको थियो
being from a Marwadi family अनि यस्तोमा हुँदा the thing is मेरो family like my single family or the joint family they have been really supportive of whatever decision I had made. The modeling decision say when it started was I started crying that I really want to do this and my sister was my
elder sister.
My older sister was my backbone and she was the support system and she was the kind of she is the rebel. She's like she wants to do it, why aren't you giving her this opportunity. Right. So my parents were like okay because of her rebellious I said what is it called rebelness maybe I don't know it's not the correct word though and me crying being emotional so it's kind of different but that led me like my mom and dad they were like okay try whatever you want to try. And just 7-8 months back, I guess, no, just before Miss Nepal, I guess 6 months back, before Miss Nepal, my father told me that I'm giving you 1.5 years. If you can do something in this field, it's well and good. But, you know, do not get disappointed. I mean, sometimes the youth, they happen to be so much disappointed that they commit suicide. So that is something that's happening. And my father was like, do not ever get disheartened or disappointed. It's
त्यो कुरा तपाईलाई बुवाले किन भन्नुभयो होला? Why did he say that to you?
because I am a dropout. I do not have a graduation degree.
Right. Dropout from college.
I'm dropout from college twice.
Okay.
Yeah. And so my, obviously, you know, no parents would like to see any child being disappointed and disheartened. So he let me follow my dreams, and along with that, he just, you know, gave me that encouragement that do not worry. You always have, even if you're not graduated, it's fine. I have my business set up. You come and handle my business. It's okay.
So त्यो
But do
space
not-
त्यहाँ थियो.
Yeah.
तपाईलाई अब मिस निकिता चाण्डक महेश्वरीलाई आज धेरैले चिनेको स्थिति छ. यो फेमलाई कसरी ह्यान्डल गर्नुभएको छ तपाईले?
Fame like कसरी handle? As I said, you already मेरो imagination को part थियो.
पार्ट थियो.
Yes. अनि I do not think there's anything to be handled. It's just like I be myself, you know, the way I am. People are loving it, and I think when you are loved, that's how you become famous. And it's just by being myself, I think the fame is being handled, I would say.
Okay.
I don't know what should I say except for that.
लाइफ प्रतिको पर्सपेक्टिभ केही चेन्ज भएको छ कि छैन?
Life? I was confused what life is. I'm still confused what life is. I mean, it's so unpredictable. About 2016 end summer, I was a struggler in modeling. I had no idea where I was going. I had this dream of getting into acting. I still have the dream of getting into acting. I did not know what way I should be choosing. Nothing did I know. But 2017 just came up with so many opportunities to me. It was just a topsy-turvy of je thyo paila 2016 ma. 2016 was really a situation in which I would not call depression, because depression is a big word to use. I know. I was in the phase of frustration, I would say. Ghar basera, there was nothing to do, you know. Modeling, no modeling projects, all rejections. So sitting at home and just crying alone, just sitting alone and crying was the thing I used to do. By the
तर
end
त्यतिखेर
of
you were trying
2016. I was trying. I was trying, but that is something that was happening to me. And I tried getting into acting schools, but for some or the other reason, it did not happen. So, त्यो भएर पनि I was like, what's happening in life? What is this? Is this life? Like 12th, and then I realized that till 12th class, when you are in the boarding school, I was in the boarding school, and I used to feel, oh my God, okay, life is life. If it was life like that till 12th, it was so easy and manageable. You are in the small world, and you just feel that the outside world is also the same
Right.
as what you are living in. That was the feeling, and yeah, and it's still, I feel life is difficult, but I don't know. There is a quote though, that life is simple, but you make it complicated.
And do you believe in that?
I just told life is difficult. I think, I don't know. I'm just confused what life is. I'm exploring. I'm trying to know what life is. I even ask people, you know, what do you think is life? Yeah, so.
It's good to be confused, in fact. I mean,
I guess so.
त्यो मलाई पनि त्यस्तो लाग्छ.
I think my expression itself says I'm so confused right now.
भोलि तपाईँ एक्टिङमा हाइपोथेटिकल्ली
हजुर.
त्यो फिल्ममा म सफल हुन सकिनँ भने म के गर्छु होला भन्ने किसिमको क्वेसन अकर गर्छ तपाईँको माइन्डमा?
No, I don't know. म सानैदेखि I was in Urlabari, I grew up in Urlabari, and I saw my neighbors Zarupani. So it was quite a very simple living we had, everyone in Urlabari, and for some reason I just felt, I was special Vanera. I'm not meant for something ordinary, something common, and I don't know, and I still feel the same, that this is something I've wanted, and I feel that I would succeed in this Jasta Lagcha. But then it's not overconfidence, not like that. I am more nervous than confident, bhanna sakchu ma. But somewhere I just feel I am meant for this Vanera.
Okay.
But along with that, I am nervous that what if I do not make it? त्यस्तो पनि छ, but I don't know, I'm confused. Oh my God. Yeah. I think I'm making you more confused of what I am thinking, and the audience, I think they are going to be confused with what I'm saying.
हैन, ठिक छ, यो सोमा त्यो हुन सक्यो भने राम्रै हो नि, के भने इभन आई गेट कन्फ्युज, द्याट्स गुड फर मी. तपाईले भन्नुभयो तपाई एक्टर हुन चाहनुहुन्छ. एक्टर हुने स्वभाव छ तपाईको? बिकज एक्टिङ इज लाइक प्ले एन्ड एक्ट, हैन? अरूको जस्तो प्रिटेन्ड हुनु, to be someone else who is not you.
Yeah.
I guess so. थाहा छैन मलाई. त्यो हुने
I
स्वभाव छ?
want to try it actually. I want to try. Why not? Because dance drama, when I was part of many dance dramas after I did one, and I have acted as rape victim. I have acted as a cruel husband, a rude husband. So I have done few of the dance dramas in which I did not have to deliver anything, any dialogue, but I had to act. I had to give my expressions, and people appreciated that. And that was something I did just out of myself and not taught. I was not taught.
Spontaneously
I did. And then maybe, why not give it a try? Because I don't know. I think I should just give it a try and at least understand that if I'm meant for this or not. Sometimes you just have this thing that, okay, you are meant for this, but reaching that point, you feel that no, maybe not. So I do not want to regret not trying, because it has been my dream now, like a fixed dream of mine now for 6 years, and I would love to pursue it and see what it is and where do I stand in that skills. Yes.
त्यो हेर्ने चाहना छ तपाईको. निकिताजी, यो ब्युटी क्वीन्सहरू खास गरी 2017 मा चिलीमा, टर्की, लेबनन, म्यानमार, पेरू र युएस मा हाइली पोलिटिकल अभिव्यक्तिका कारण चाहिने they have to lose their crowns. उनीहरूले आफ्नो ताज गुमाउनु पर्यो.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
Because of the political
instability.
No, not instability. For the उनीहरूको अभिव्यक्ति, they talked about politics which one section of society did not like, or the other section of people ले चाहिँ त्यसलाई मन परायो. त्यो अलिकति सेन्सिटिभ कुराहरू उहाँहरूले बोल्ने कारणले त्यो परिस्थिति पनि भयो. यो रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटिज हुन्छ नि, यो ताजसँगै आउने रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी, हाउ इम्पोर्टेन्ट इट इज, डु यु थिङ्क?
It's the thing is, in Nepal, we take beauty pageants, we take Miss Nepals as something different from what it's been taken in other countries. It's funny to see that, other countries, they do not really are aware of who the Miss is from their country. But then I'm so glad, I'm so proud that, I'm a part of Nepal, and people actually recognize you. So yes, responsibilities for me, how it comes is, it's more about, I think you just become real and true to yourself and to the audience, to the youth, because it's mostly the youth part of the society who is looking up to you. So I think do something, do not do something destructive, do not do something that influence something bad. That is where the main point of responsibility for me lies. Like, I do not want to do something bad and influence the people who are looking up to me to get into that bad thing.
त तपाईले भन्नुभयो यो मिस नेपालको रिकग्निसन चाहिँ नि नेपालमा अलिबढी कम्पेरेटिभली टु अदर कन्ट्रीज बढी हुन्छ इन्डियामा त यसको फेम इट्स क्वाइट हाई
India, the thing is, no, even if you see India, I just happened to go to India, Bangalore, and I met my friends. They were saying that they had no idea who Miss India was. When, yeah, actually, you know, that who had gone from India to represent at Miss World. I think the craze has gone down somewhere in India.
Okay.
But now that she has won Miss World, people know her. People know, okay, India has won, and Manushi Schiller is the one who won the Miss World crown. So, so her fan base also on Instagram also, it was less than me, like thousands less than my followers before. But then obviously now she has like million, more than a million followers. Before crowning, yes. So I think the craze in India also has gone down. That's how I feel. I mean, people do not really recognize who the Miss is. They are not really
why do you
interested
think it
in
has
that.
happened? किन यसो भयो होला? किनभने as we have seen during the 90s, India मा त यो किसिमको वेभै थियो. I mean, they
Maybe-
had Susmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai, all these people.
Maybe because the victory, at one point of time they had lots of victories in the international pageants, but then त्यो कम्ती हुँदै जाँदा people maybe lost the interest जस्तो लाग्छ. But now that Manushi has won, maybe it's come back again. I don't know.
तपाईलाई लाग्छ कहीं न कहीं गएर यो ताज आइसके पछाडी तपाईको फ्रीडम अफ एक्सप्रेसनहरु कर्टेल भएको छ अथवा डु यु फिल दैट वे कहीं न कहीं तपाई अलिकति पहिला म यो नहुँदाखेरि जसरी फ्री थिए त्यो अलि छैन जस्तो लाग्छ
No. For me, I feel that now I can express more of what my opinion is, just like because when you're saying about freedom of expressing yourself, is it in regards of where you want to go to or something like that?
No, I mean in generally तपाई निकिता चाण्डक महेश्वरी भएर पहिला यो ताज पहिरनु भन्दा पहिला तपाईले आफ्नो साथीसँग फ्यामिलीसँग कम्युनिटीसँग the way you carried yourself in the past र अहिले
I'm
चाहिँ
the same. I am the same.
Okay.
Yes. Now that you have been talking about Sushmita Sen and everyone, Sushmita Sen had told in Miss Universe that a person should always have two faces, one for her personal life and one for the public. Yeah, and for me, I feel that I am different in different circumstances with different people. When there are someone professional, I am very formal. I am very formal.
So you have multiple faces.
I don't know.
Can I say
that? Maybe. Multiple faces. Oh my God. Yeah. But then everything is honest.
Right.
Every face is honest.
Yeah,
That's what I can assure you about. So whenever there is something professional, I be very formal. And then with my friends, I'm fun-loving. With strangers, I'm kind of introvert. But with my family, they know how weird and how weird I can be, like weird and funny I can be.
Can I ask you? Like?
I mimicry my, my like really young maternal uncles' daughters. Like my cousins. I mimicry those little ones in front of my family. I make them laugh. So I go crazy. I do weird stuffs in that way. Yeah. And actually this time also when I'd been to home, I did that and my mom was like, no one must be thinking that Miss Nepal would do all this. So you can just understand maybe what level of craziness I did that my mom had to tell this, Yeah.
महिला हुनुको एसेन्स के हो निकिताजी? What does it mean to?
For me, not only mahila, I would say. For me, just being a human being is full of essence, I would say. Obviously, I think they have the equal thing. women and men. Though we say that, women has the power to give birth, but it would not be possible without a man though. Yeah. For me, being a person, human being itself is like very difficult task when I think of, life, as I'm saying, that it's so unpredictable, it's full of confusion and ups and downs. So it's kind of an adventurous ride, and just being a human being and being able to, deal with every problems that comes your way and live your life is the most difficult part. And I feel that is the essence of being a human being, like, yes,
And there's
a
no
complete human being.
specific
So-
essence of being a woman.
It's a beautiful feeling, of course. It's, I think, a women. I usually, when it comes to feminism and women empowerment, I think I usually think of the overall, the women and men. And about being women, of course, it's something different. Like when I see my mom, she is more expressive of what she feels, the kind of love and care. It's just visible towards any member of your society, your family. But when it comes to father, he's a little not so expressive, You know that he loves you, you know that he cares for you, but then he's just a little shy to show that. So maybe
And
there's
that's
a
what
little
you
different.
think men are, right?
What?
Do you think that's how men are?
But I think they should be expressive. I mean, especially when it comes to, crying, being emotional. So I would just share this with you that my brother, when I was in Miss Nepal, during Miss Nepal, so my brother used to just, he's 14 years old now, and he watches all Miss Worlds and Miss Nepals and Miss Universe for me. And he questions me over phone, okay, if this question is asked to you, what will you say?
Okay.
So he just happened to ask me that if you become a male, a man for a day, what would you do?
Okay.
I think for me, at that point of time, what I had in my head was, and I feel that is true and that is correct thing to do. I felt that, just express your feelings and just break the stereotype that a man can cry and just cry your heart out for whatever you are feeling. So that is what I would like to do if I would be a man. So I think it's totally okay to be expressive of different kind of emotions. I mean, a human being is made of emotions, like so much of emotions, yeah.
एक्लै हुनुभएको बेलामा कस्तो किसिमको थिङ्किङले डोमिनेट गर्छ तपाईँलाई when you are alone?
When I'm
भएको
alone,
बेला-
I'm usually alone actually. It's, as I said, I'm more about thinking for my future, that what's gonna happen and how it's gonna happen. So it's mostly about the future and the career that I think for. I think about.
पर्सनल स्पेसलाई क्रेभ गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ? I mean, do you have enough of that?
I do. I mean, as I said, I usually stay alone because here also I do not, in Kathmandu I do not have my family here.
तपाईँको
I'm
पेरेन्ट्सहरू
staying- Urlabari.
उर्लाबारीमै
Yes,
हुनुहुन्छ?
yes. I stay here alone, so I have enough of personal space. Yeah. So it's not like I crave for my personal space, and when you're alone, that you really want to go out and mingle with people. So I love that also, and I have always been a kind of loving my alone time, watching movies alone, even be it go to theaters, but watch it alone. So that has also been my thing. So it's not like being alone is also a difficult task for me. It's not that. I like my alone time, and as well as I like going out and hanging out with people. Yes.
तपाईँको
At the
धेरै
same time,
साथीहरू हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. The thing is, I have friends, but with me it's like, even though I really consider someone as friend, it's not like I call them always or I hang out with them. It's not like that. I mean, some friends from my Rajasthan school, I talk to them like once in 2 months or 3 months, but still they are like once I talk to them, I just tell everything that I have to offer, and they tell everything to me. So there's this kind of bond, even if you do not, talk to people, to your friends much, it's fine, but you just know that the friendship is there. So I think as you grow up, the friend circle becomes more intimate and more smaller.
Smaller.
Yes, and I think that's happening for me somehow. That's happening.
तपाईलाई हाम्रो यहाँको जुन चाहिँ यो मोडलिङ सेक्टर छ यो कसरी ग्रो गरेर जस्तो लागिरहेछ तपाईलाई? हाउ डु फिल? नेपालमा
एक्चुअली मैले पहिला त्यस्तो हेरेको थिइनँ हैन. इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम TGIF नेपाल फ्यासन विकमा नै म आएको, एन्ड आई रियली लभ द स्ट्यान्डर्ड अफ what it was like, and of course for a country, it's a small country. Nepal is a small country. For a country like this, having TGIF Nepal Fashion Week, it was a good way of showcasing the fashion and the modeling field. And I feel that with time it will grow. Yeah, with time it will grow, and right now we have some models who work overseas, like who work in Mumbai,
like
in India. Astha Pokhrel, yes. And then Sabita Karki, she's just been to India's Next Top Model. She's got into top 3.
Wow, that's good. Yeah.
So they also are a part of TGIF. They have always been a part of TGIF. So I feel we, as a model, we have good models here. Really good models, and then the opportunities, I think with time it's just coming up. It's growing. The modeling field is growing. The opportunities are growing. So I feel with time it's going to happen.
So तपाईं encourage गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ नयाँ मानिसहरुलाई?
Yes, definitely. Okay. I would love to encourage.
20 वर्षपछि कहाँ देख्नुहुन्छ आफूलाई?
हजुर?
20 वर्षपछि आफूलाई कहाँ देख्नुहुन्छ? Where do you see yourself in next 20 years time?
20 years. Yeah. I'm 21 now. I'll be 41 then. I think I would love to be known as one of the most successful actor. And of course, by then I'll be married. Yeah, I'll be married, maybe having a family. Yeah. The main part is, as I said, I'm always concerned about my career first. And so I would love to see myself as one of the successful actors. And for me, our acting sangai, we see a lot of actors, not only in, I would say, Nepal, but anywhere, they are socially responsible as well. I mean, they are earning well. They are living. They are earning their living. They are able to afford their luxury life, and along with that, they are able to help the underprivileged. So that is the kind of lifestyle I want.
Okay.
Yeah.
And सोच्नु भएको छ के गर्छु सोशल साइडमा भनेर?
No, I think with time it will come. Just the लाग्छ, With time it will. I'll be able to understand how it works. Like recently, I had done Beauty with a Purpose, Beauty with a Purpose project. I was helped by many people, because I think mostly it was because I had to showcase it at the Miss World. Yeah, but if I just think of later, if I want to continue that, I cannot do it alone. I cannot do it individually. As I was able to do it now with a team, I will not be able to do that. And for that, I would be a part of some organization who's already working in this field, and then that's how I can go further in that. But then, as I say, earning enough for yourself and then for the socially, at that point of time, when you just start earning, and when you know that now you're able to, now also I'm dependent on my father economically. So the time when I actually become independent economically, and I have enough to do my living, as well as some more extra money, then probably that is the time when I'll literally understand, which field, which is the group of underprivileged people I can really help. I think that's how I would understand when the time goes on. So when I'm 41, I would love to be known as one of the successful actors, and also would love to continue acting. And along with that, I would love to be capable enough to do my living as well as, you know, help the underprivileged. Right now, I have the sentence from somewhere, I just got this in my head, you know, I want to be empowered enough to empower the underprivileged. So this is the kind of sentence that stuck to my head. So let's see, hopefully I'll be able to do that.
So पहिला आफैले त्यो ठाउँमा पुग्ने रिगेन गर्ने
हजुर, हजुर.
त्यसपछि you'll be able to
Yes,
contribute.
yes. The thing with this, I would like to add that, you know, when you're crowned as Miss Nepal, when you're crowned as a beauty queen, people think you are socially responsible and they expect you to be involved in various social activities, helping the underprivileged, this and that. Yeah, and the thing is, it's not difficult. Even if I was not a part of it, maybe for me it would have been easy. Oh my God, she is, you know, a beauty queen. She is a Miss Nepal, and she should do that. I must have felt so, but being here, I just understand it's not easy. It's very difficult, and the fact that we are being a part of different events to promote different kind of social activities, the activism programs like against violence, against human trafficking, and all these, you know, just being a part of this also, I think we are kind of helping. Right. We are kind of helping because the youth are looking at us. So I just want to tell the youth that, you know, there are expectations, but right now, we are not empowered. We ourselves are not empowered enough to empower those underprivileged, you know, at that level. We are not independent on our own. Then how can we, you know, help others be independent?
Right.
So yeah.
निकिता जी जाँदा जाँदै अन्तिम प्रश्न सोध्न चाहन्छु तपाईलाई. The most dignified and handsome man you have ever met.
The most dignified and handsome man
you have ever met.
Oh God. Oh God. I think for me, it's not a single man, I would say, you know. Okay, so I'll just tell, I had been to Butwal recently for the silver anniversary, the 25th anniversary of Rotary Club, Butwal. And there I found a 78 years old man. I guess he's from Kathmandu itself, I do not know. So he was very cheerful, suited up. I love men who suit up. And he was suited up and always, you know, laughing and smiling, so cheerful, so energetic and so appreciative of everything. So I think that is the kind of person I really like, you know. So I would call him. Yeah, handsome. Yeah, handsome, dignified. Yes, the man I met.
With that note, I take your permission to end the program.
Oh yes, I wish it had gone more longer. And I would just like to say to the audience that, you know, please do not get confused with whatever I said right now in this entire interview, because yeah, and yes, maybe I be able to, you know, tell them what is behind the scenes of getting crowned.
Right.
I hope I be able to tell them what it is about. Yes.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
आदरणीय दर्शकवृन्द, आजलाई यति नै. म सुमित शर्मा समीरलाई सम्पूर्ण युनिट सहित बिदा दिनुहोस्. नमस्कार.